Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by saving work and restarting key services to clear transient errors. First, close apps and perform a full restart. This often fixes simple hangs. Once done, disconnect external USB input devices to rule out hardware interference. Next, open Task Manager and locate Search, Cortana, or Windows Explorer. Right-click and choose Restart. This forces the UI to reload and can restore the search bar without deeper fixes. Make sure to watch for error prompts when processes fail to restart. Now you'll address indexing and service level issues that block search results. Open services. MSC and confirm Windows search is running, set it to automatic or automatic, delayed, and restart the service. Next, rebuild the index from settings right arrow search, right arrow searching Windows, right arrow advanced options, right arrow rebuild. This forces a complete reindex of files and fixes missing results. If the UI still fails, use an elevated PowerShell to verify and reinstall the Search or Cortana app via getapps package and addapps package. This repairs corrupted apps. Finish by repairing system files and checking for deeper errors. Run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Restart after each. Next, open Event Viewer and inspect application and system logs for search-related errors and note any codes. If problems persist, create a fresh user profile or roll back with system restore to a point when search worked. Troubleshooting tip. If search still fails, temporarily
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.